This is what happens when you spin a cream egg. How does it work? This video is a response to the stand-up maths video, Spinning Egg Trick. First, let's watch it in slow motion. This is the point where the egg becomes stable, standing on a point. When it's stationary, it's stable like this. But when it's spinning, it's stable like this. How does that make any sense? Let's just start out by saying, if you don't understand it, that's fine. Even top physicists like Niels Bohr couldn't work it out. So if you can, you're a genius. First, let's slow it right down so you can see what's actually happening. The center of mass isn't over the point at which it's spinning on. It's actually spinning on a circle. It's not spinning on a point, which creates friction. The reason for this is the circle does not spin over the center of the mass. It spins over the center of its curve, since it's a curved surface. So what happens is, it spins over the center of the curve, which is different from the center of mass, which is where this friction and circle come from. It has to spin around the axis of the center of mass, but it's really spinning over the center of the curve, which is why it makes a circle shape. However, when it's on its point, and it's finished with this, the center of mass and center of curve are aligned, which the only other point is when the egg is the other way around. This leaves us with two questions. Why does it only spin over the end where the center of mass is above the center of the curve? And the second question is, why does this friction matter? Why does this friction cause it to do this? Here's the explanation. The spinning of the egg creates a friction, which pushes back on the egg. This creates a torque, which creates a force to push the center of mass upwards. This makes the center of mass higher and higher until it gets onto its end, in which case there is no longer a torque, as both axes are in line. Oh, and as for it spinning around this axis, it can, but it's just not very stable. It just kind of flops over whenever you touch it. But it's actually stable to a point, you know.